Dear students, today we will discuss lesson number 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Means the chapter of factors and multiples. This is very important chapter for the LCM as well as HCF. So first of all we have to discuss what is factor and what are multiples. So the quick digest points are: a factor is a number which divides the given number without leaving any remainder. That means if any number, yani whatever number given to us, if we divide the number by any of the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and the remainder will come 0, that time we call it the factor. This number is a factor of the given number. Suppose example, the given number is 6. If I divide it by 1, I will get 1 6 are 6 and no remainder, that is remainder 0. If I divided it by 2, I will get 2 3s are 6, that is remainder 0. If I divide it by 3, I will get the remainder 0. If I divided it by 6, I will get the remainder 0. So here are the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 6. These all are the factors of the given digit 6. A number which can be expressed as a product of two or more numbers is called the multiple. So if any number multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and whatever new number will come, we call these numbers are the multiples of the given number. So multiples are the product of the given digit and multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and rest alag numbers. Now a number is the smallest multiple of itself and every number is a multiple of 1. यानी कोई पर नंबर क्यों ना हो उसको हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, यानी मल्टीपल करने के बाद वही नंबर आते हैं. Prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Some numbers are called prime numbers, the numbers which are having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. यानी 2 को हम किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? 1 is 1 and another one is 2. So these two, and whenever any number having at least two factor, that is 1 and the number itself, we call it is prime number. So in case of composite numbers have more than two factors, यानी इस पे खाली 2 ही फैक्टर नहीं होगा, नंबर 1 एंड नंबर इटसेल्फ नहीं, बाकी बहुत सारे नंबर्स है, वी कॉल इट कंपोजिट नंबर. 1 इज़ नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. नंबर 1 जो है वो नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. 2 प्राइम नंबर्स whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. So whenever the difference between 2 prime number is 2, suppose 2 prime number, that is 5 and 7. If we subtract 7 minus 5, we will get 2. So here we call it 5 and 7. These two are the twin prime number. यानी जब दोनों प्राइम नंबर और उनके बीच की डिफ्रेंसिएशन 2, we call it twin prime number. Co-prime numbers do not have any common factors other than 1. If two numbers having only common factor, that is 1, we call it co-prime number. Might be it is one prime number and one composite number, but except one, all are uncommon factor, one common factor, that is 1. The process of finding all the prime factors of a number is called the prime factorization. यानी जो प्रोसेस से हम कोई पण गिवन नंबर की सारे प्राइम नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं, वी कॉल इट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. We can find prime factors by factor free method and short division method. Factor tree method and short division methods, these two methods I will discuss later when we teach the lesson. So HCF is the greatest factor among common factors of two or more numbers. The full form of HCF is highest common factor, whereas the full form of LCM least common multiples. LCM is the smallest number exactly divisible by each of the given numbers separately. Now, the multiples of a number are found by taking the product of the number with any काउंटिंग नंबर. द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ ए नंबर, कोई पर नंबर का जो मल्टीपल्स होगा, आर फाउंड बाई टेकिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द नंबर विथ एनी काउंटिंग नंबर. कोई पण काउंटिंग नंबर से हम कंटिन्यूसली मल्टीप्लाई करें, देन वी गेट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द गिवन डिजिट. द LCM ऑफ टू को प्राइम नंबर is equal to their product. Yani if two co-prime number means whenever two numbers having only common factor, that is 1, that time we call it co-prime number. And if we multiply these two number, their LCM always same. So the product of two numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. So beta, if we multiply two numbers, suppose one number and this is two number, if we multiply these two number, whatever product we get, and if we multiply these two numbers HCF as well as LCM, and we multiply HCF and LCM, we get the same number. यानी दोनों नंबर, अगर जो भी दोनों नंबर दिया है, मानो अपने को दिया हुआ है 5 और 7, तो 5 और 7 को मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो वी विल गेट 35. सेम वे द HCF ऑफ 5 and 7 and the LCM of 5 and 7. HCF is 1 and LCM is 35. So here also we get 35. यानी both the cases it will come same. So beta, these all are the prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This way we have to continue 23, then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 is the prime number. So these two numbers having one common factor, that is 1. So it is called co-prime number, and here it is called difference 2. So here it is called twin prime number.